So you watch YouTube videos every day. You like comments every day. You like videos every day. But did you know that you could make a lot of money with 0 subscribers, 0 views, 0 videos, 0 likes? Just from watching videos on YouTube, you can actually make a lot of money. And I'm going to show you how you can do this. This awesome strategy it's been going on for a while. And I just feel like it's best that I show you this so that you can actually make money for yourself, because it has helped me a lot and it will definitely help you as well. All you need to do is watch this video all the way to the end so you understand everything that I show you. Every single step is important, so if you skip a certain step, there might be something that you'll miss, and then at the end of the day you're not going to make money because you missed something. So just watch the video all the way to the end. It's not a very long video and it is worth it. You will really enjoy this method. It's very easy to do and it's free and it's available worldwide. So if you're in Africa, Australia, Europe, Asia, South America, wherever you are, you can all get access to this opportunity. And before I show you this awesome strategy, please do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button to subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe, and click on that bell icon, that notification bell, so that every time I upload a new video that can help you make more money online, you will receive a notification. So what you want to do is you want to go onto YouTube and you want to search for a topic that people will find interesting, a tutorial video, a video that teaches somebody something, and you feel like this person watching this video will actually benefit from this video. So for example, I have typed in 10 steps to boost your confidence. So there's a lot of people that have problems with their confidence and they just want to know how to boost their confidence, both male and female. So I've searched this up and I found a lot of different videos on YouTube that talk about, improving your confidence. You have here 10 steps to improve your confidence and self-esteem. You have here 8 proven ways to boost your self-confidence. Confidence hacks, 7 ways to instantly boost your confidence, your self-esteem. So the list goes on and on and on, and you can find one that you really find interesting. So for example, I have clicked on this one over here, Confidence 10 Steps to Improve Your Confidence and Self-Esteem. Now this is the video over here. What you want to do, you want to watch the entire video and actually learn about the video, because once you've understood what the video is about, that's when you're going to make your money, and I'm going to show you that right now. Basically, you must watch the entire video. Everything the person says in the video, you can just take notes on a piece of paper. You must understand what he's saying and just, write notes, write everything down. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, up to step 10, so that once you have that information, I'm going to show you right now how you're going to make your money. So once you've done watching this video, you want to go onto Skillshare. Skillshare is where people teach people skills, people learn from teachers, and the teachers are actually making a lot of money. So let's take, for example, over here. This woman over here is doing the exact same thing, top 10 skills to boost your confidence. But over here, she's making thousands of dollars every single month for exactly the same thing that she found on YouTube. She just took the information and then she decided to go on Skillshare and make a class, which is like a course with 13 classes. As you can see, the first one is Introduction to Top 10 Steps to Boosting Your Confidence. Step 2 is What is Self-Confidence? Step 3 is Use Positive Affirmations. Step 4, Look for the Good in All Situations, and so on and so forth. So she's made a class, a course, so that people can actually pay money and actually learn how to boost their confidence. So this is exactly what you're going to do. Right now she has 57 students, and that is a lot of money. 57 students is a lot of money because every single month you're making a lot of money. So at the bottom here, she will explain to you about this class. She will tell you that you need confidence to succeed in any area of life. A lack of confidence can prevent you from being who you were born to be and doing what you would love to do. This course takes you through 10 steps to boost your confidence in every area of your life to help you enjoy life more and so on and so forth. So this is exactly what you want to be doing. You want to create a course so that you can get students who actually pay to learn what you're teaching them. That is why I said you need to come over here and actually learn. Not just watch the video for fun, but you need to take notes, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, because you're going to come onto Skillshare and make a course so that you can get students who will actually be watching your videos and you can make money. Now, this is a great method. Let me show you something. Over here you see on average first-time teachers earn $200 in their first month on Skillshare, with top teachers earning upwards of $3,000 a month. That is a lot of money for doing something so easy, because all you're doing is you're going to go onto YouTube and find something you would like to teach the people. Find something interesting that you feel like people would like to learn. How to tie your ties, 10 ways to make money, 10 ways to become stronger, 10 ways to get a six-pack, 10 ways to lose weight. Find something that people really find interesting and you can watch it for free on YouTube. Then what you want to do, you would then go onto Skillshare and then you want to create a course with different classes, different lessons. As you can see here, 13 lessons, which is 41 minutes of your time, and every lesson is very important, every single lesson. So people will just become your students and you'll be making money every single month. As I've just shown you right now, that as a beginner you can get $200 in your first month, and you can get up to $3,000 in a month if you're doing really well. Now, if you look over here on Google, how much do teachers make on Skillshare, you'll see here top teachers on Skillshare make up to $10,000 a month, which means that if you're really, really good, you can make up to $10,000 a month, $10,000 a month. And that is really, really great, because all you need to do is post different videos like a course. All you would do is just speak about the topics, step 1, step 2, step 3, just speak about it. As you can see, top 10 skills to boost your confidence. She has done that and people are really interested. It's such a way that when you get onto the first one, you need to watch the second one, because every single step is important. So you cannot just watch the second one and then feel like, let me leave it out. You will see that number 1 over here, number 2, number 3, number 4, she will be explaining every single step, how important it is. And at the end, wrapping it all, she will just give a conclusion, and then you get many students to come and actually watch your videos and give you some money. It's a really, really great platform and I really love it. And Skillshare, people are doing all kinds of things on Skillshare. For example, if people are interested in making music and they really love to make music, you can see that when you click on music, maybe some people want to know how to do music production. As you can see over here, music production. People really want to create music, but they don't know the skills on how to use the software, which items to buy, what kind of speakers to buy, how to start, how to plug things in. As you can see, this guy has 925 students, 970 students, 1,484 students in his course. And for example, if you click on over here, let's see how it is, what he's doing. As you can see, this is all his classes over here. Be teaching you about music production. He will explain to you what the course is. In this class, you'll learn everything you need. So it's just really cool. In this class, you'll learn everything you need to get started with GarageBand for Mac. I've broken all the lessons down in 3 main sections to keep things as simple as possible. And he has 925 students. But when you're on YouTube, you can go and learn that, how to be a music producer. If we type that in, or let's type in how to be a music producer tutorial, then you'll get a couple of videos that have to do with how to be a music produce a tutorial. Let's just wait for it to just load and give us a few. So you just want to click on one of these videos and learn it. Write notes down on a piece of paper. Write notes down. If you're interested in music, of course, and that's what you want to teach. Then you want to come onto Skillshare again, and then you want to make a class, like a course, just like this guy has done. He probably just went onto YouTube and learned it for free and tried it out, and all of a sudden he was able to make a course, and people are actually making him a lot of money for teaching. Yeah, people are making a lot of money. So it's a way of making money, and you can learn something on YouTube that you find people would need. And if you're passionate about it, it works even better, because already you have the passion for it and you love that and you would like to teach it. If you're somebody that likes to gym, lose weight, already you're passionate about that, so you have more enthusiasm to teach that thing. So just find something you find that suits you and you would like to teach, and you can make a lot of money on here. And it's really, really, really great. And this is what I wanted to teach you. The reason I gave you this option of top 10 skills to boost your confidence is because you don't really have to buy equipment. You don't have to buy, speakers and headphones to be explaining everything. You just need to just speak, write a few steps, and it's very straightforward. You don't need much to actually explain this, and you can make a lot of money. As you can see, 57 students. It's a lot of money for doing something very simple. So find something that you find interesting that you would like to teach on YouTube. How to lose weight, or how to get a six-pack. Then you'll find different videos on how to get a six-pack. Then you would just want to go onto Skillshare and teach that, and you get students. For those people who are they want to lose weight and they want to get a six-pack, find a video, learn about it, write notes down, come back onto Skillshare, make a nice course about it. And even this photography, this animation, I've always wanted to learn how to do animation. So there are a lot of people teaching about animation over here. So where there's web development, photography, marketing, it's a lot of things that you can do. So just have fun with it. I hope it helps you. If you have any questions, please leave your questions down below in the comment section. And please like the video. I hope it really gave you a bit of value. Try it out. Let me know how it goes for you, and make sure you subscribe to the AD Money channel. It's free to subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And check out my playlist as well. My channel, I have a lot of videos that can help you to make money online. If you combine all the methods together, you'll make a lot of money online, and it's very easy to do, and it's free, and it's available worldwide. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you receive a notification every time I upload my new videos. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and cheers.